Before we begin, this is my eye look. This is what my face looks like. I actually did film this look. This is from my Get Ready With Me that's coming on Wednesday. So if you want to see it, subscribe. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm very excited about today. Today we are going to be talking about Ipsy. These are the bags that Ipsy has gifted to me. Thank you very much, Ipsy. I greatly appreciate it. I'm pretty excited. These are the March bags, which I've seen some pretty good spoilers for March. Do I remember any of them? Absolutely not, but I have seen them. So we have the March Ipsy Glam Bag, we have the March Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and we also have some of the new refreshment products. You guys, I've been loving this refreshments line that Ipsy has been doing so much. So just like always, I will leave links to all of the subscriptions and information for all the subscriptions down below in the description box, as well as timestamps. So if you're only interested in hearing me talk about one or two of these things, timestamps for everything will be down below, as well as product links. You got all that? All right, we're gonna jump into this. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the Ipsy Glam Bag, and we're gonna jump into this because we don't need to have a 20-minute intro. We're just gonna talk about some makeup. We're just gonna have some fun. I'm really excited, you guys. I love makeup. So this is the March 2021 Glam Bag. This bag I think is so cute. I love this little like diversity message it's sending. It's adorable. I love this pull string for it. I think that's so cute as well. The Ipsy Glam Bag is $12 a month, and every month you get 5 samples, sometimes full-size products, I don't know. You do get to choose one of your items, and let's go ahead and take a look inside. Let's do this. The first thing in here, oh yes, okay, this is the Cela Sea to Skin Scrub. I have talked about this so much. Actually, in my recent empties video, I just finished one of these off, and I talk about the fact that the scrub is so good. I don't like the packaging of the scrub because this tube is very difficult to get products out of, and the scrub inside is so grainy, which I love. I love grainy scrubs, but it is very difficult to get the product out of. So I like getting them in subscription boxes because I feel like it's such a, like you end up wasting some product because you can't get it all out. I don't personally cut open shower products. I'm really excited about it though. This is seriously probably my holy grail scrub. Like I'll always take more. I love this so much. So that's a great way to start out the bag. Then we have, oh my god, that's so funny. Okay, this is the KVD Vegan Beauty Lock-It Setting Powder in Translucent. I actually used this today, not this one obviously, but I used one of these today in this look, which there's a video coming on Wednesday. Get ready with me trying out products for my haul on Friday, if that's not confusing. I'm really excited about that. Look at how cute that is. So I have used this before. I love this powder. I've used this more than just on my Get Ready With Me. It's a really good powder. So that's really exciting because I'm always down to have more of those. And I love, it's just so tiny and cute. I love it. Okay, next we have, this is from St. Luxe. This is a highlighter in Celestial. I've never heard of St. Luxe before, but it does say they are cruelty-free. This packaging is giving me like Rae Dunn vibes, which I'm kind of here for. Ooh, you guys, do you see this? Oh my goodness. Ooh, that is like creamy. Oh my god, do you see that shift? Okay, yeah. I'm good with that. Oh, that is so beautiful. And this, I don't know if this is full size or a mini, but this is a decent size. It's 0.15 ounces for a little highlight. That's a good size. That'll last you a while. Next we have the Ouai leave-in conditioner. Ouai. Oh my god. I love this brand. This is one of my favorite hair care brands. Their stuff smells so freaking good. I have used up this leave-in conditioner before. I've used up samples. I've used up the full size. I love it. It's like perfume. This is the brand. I was gonna say, if they ever make perfume, I'm gonna buy it. They actually have started making perfumes, and I did buy it. It's, oh my god, their stuff is just so heavenly selling, so I'm very excited about that. 100% I'll use this up. This is it's such a good product, and it really does make your hair feel so freaking good afterwards. Alright, the last product in here, this is the Araceli Ojos Perfectos Liquid Eyeliner in Night. You guys, listen, I actually got this liner, this one, and then it was like in a duo, so it came with this one and a brown one. I got this liner though in one of my purchased Ipsy bags. This is one of my favorite liners. Like this became such, uncomparable. It's so good. And I didn't have like, I've never heard of this brand before, so I didn't have like crazy expectations or anything like that. But this is seriously one of my all-time favorite liners. It's so opaque. It doesn't skip. I have texture on my eyelids and shaky hands, and so eyeliner skips a lot for me, and this is one of the easiest ones to use. I love it. And look at that tip. Oh my God. I'm really excited. This was a really good bag. We went through, like, we blew through this bag, but oh my God, this was such a good bag. This liner is one of my favorites. This leave-in conditioner is one of my favorites. This powder is one of my favorites. This scrub is one of my favorites. And this highlight I've never used before. I've never heard of the brand, but it is so freaking pretty. I'm very pleased. And to top it all off, this bag is literally the cutest thing ever. So kudos, Ipsy. This was an amazing bag. I don't even know, like, I have nothing else to say. Like, this was such a good bag. It included so many of my favorites, so thank you. Now let's talk about the Ipsy. That was rude. Now let's talk about the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Once again, look at this cute drawstring bag. Like, I love this pattern, and the drawstrings are like, I don't even know what these are, but I love them. Oh man, I skipped the card again. How do I always do that? Okay, so the theme for March 2021 is Stronger Together. Like Cher and Dion and red lipstick and a cat eye, some things are just better together. Celebrate the people and products that make you look and feel your best. Okay, I love that, first of all, and second of all, they definitely do make me feel my best because they're some of my favorites. So Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, this is $25 a month. It is 5 full-size products. You choose 3 out of the 5 full-size products. Ipsy will choose the other 2 for you. So let's go ahead, take a look. Oh my God, inside of the bag, it says confidence comes from within. That's adorable. I love that. Ooh, okay, first off, we have the Florence by Mills Glow Yeah Lip Oil. I've been getting into this brand. They actually have some pretty good products. I really want those fish eye patches, because you guys know I use eye patches every day, and I really like those. Those look really cute. So this is the Glow Yeah Lip Oil. It comes in a cute little tube like that. That's very nice. Ooh. That feels like it'd be really nice on the lips. And I love this little tube. I think this is really cute, and I like the fact that it's kind of opaque up here, but it's clear down here, because then when you're starting to run low, you'll be able to see it. And it's a weird little touch, but I like it. I'm excited about that. You guys know how I am about lip oils. My lips get so dry and chapped so easily, and I don't know why, so I'm always down for more. Ooh, this is the It Cosmetics Heavenly Skin Smoothing Complexion Brush in number 704. I feel like in my last Ipsy bags, I got an It Cosmetics foundation brush, but it was like the slanted one. It was not this one. I'm excited about that. Ooh, this one's a little bit frayed. But you guys know I love these. And it says you can use this for skincare, color-infused powders, solid serum foundations, and all complexion products. And it's a custom cut brush head that optically blurs and perfects the look of skin, erasing the appearance of lines, pores, and imperfections instantly. I've talked about the It Cosmetics brushes before. I love them. They are super expensive, super bougie, but they work so well and they're so soft, and I really do enjoy them. So I've built up like kind of like a mini collection of them throughout the years, and I love getting new ones. I don't know if I have this one or not. It looks semi-familiar, but I'm really excited about it because it's so cute, and it's kind of like this slanted flat top. So that is an obvious win. What else do we have in here? This is from Coalife. This is the Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser. Powerful antioxidants, helps protect skin cells from damage, reduces the appearance of hyperpigmentation, cleanses, purifies, and rejuvenates skin, and moisturizes and reduces signs of aging. This reminds me, completely based off of appearance alone, of the Youth to the People cleanser. Okay, so you apply a few pumps onto palm, massage into damp skin, rinse thoroughly with warm water. It's 1.7 fluid ounces. It seems small for a cleanser to me. I don't know why. I don't know what my plan is, because I can't like, ooh. Ooh, okay. It feels really nice. I don't know what my plan is now, but it actually feels really nice on the skin. I'm excited. I like cleansers. I really like vitamin C products for skincare because they're very good for your skin. And this is a brand that I haven't heard of before, but it says there are no mineral oils, no sulfates, no parabens. It's vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. So that is win, 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 plus, plus, plus. I love it. Then we have... This is the, this is from House Laboratories. This is a sparkle lipstick in Burlesque. Okay. I've tried a couple of products from House Laboratories at this point in time. That's the Lady Gaga brand that's like on Amazon or something. Ugh. And I've liked everything so far. Oh, I love this packaging. It's all like this black, but then it's got this little silver on the top. I love that. We need to get a close-up up here. Do you see those beautiful lines of sparkle? Like, tell me why this looks like something that you would see in like the burlesque movie. I'm not normally one for shimmer lips, but this is so pretty. I love this. Oh my God, it's so gorgeous. Yes. I love red lips. I'm not big on shimmer lips. Oh, and it's got a magnetic closure. I like that. But that is stunning. Oh my gosh. And then lastly, we have this is by Shades by Shan. It is the Makeup Studio Neutral Edition 9-pan eyeshadow palette. 25% of the proceeds of this collection will be going to the Mama Berry's nonprofit foundation to help single parents in need. I like that. I cannot get this out. I hate ripping like when there's sleeves. I hate that, but I can't get it out of here. Shades by Shan. I just got a little duo from this brand in, I think, last month's Ipsy, and I like it so far. Ooh, okay. So it is a neutral palette, but it's actually very pretty. You've got a nice matte black in here too. You've got lots of nice warm browns, and you've got these beautiful shimmer shades. So it's very simple. It's very neutral, but I like it. That's really nice. I feel like this is great for just everyday wear. If you have like an office job, this would be great for an office job. That is really pretty. And like I said, I just was introduced to the brand, I think last month, and I have a little duo by them, but the eyeshadows themselves are gorgeous. I am dying over this shade Hexed right here. I like that. Yeah, I'm actually really excited to try that. I'm not normally like a super neutrals person, but sometimes the right neutral palette will come around and get me kind of excited for it. So I'm excited for that. This bag was pretty good. We got a nice 9-pan eyeshadow palette. Love that. A lip oil, a beautiful shimmer lipstick, a vitamin C cleanser, and then a very bougie It Cosmetics face brush, which you guys know I'm always here for. All in all, amazing month. I'm loving these bags. Okay, so we do have a couple of new refreshment launches that I'm very excited about. Actually, these are the ones that I've kind of been waiting for. So the first product is the Pearly Body Wash in Citrus Spritz. This is what that lotion was scented in, and I loved the smell of that lotion. Okay, I like the packaging of this too, actually, and the body wash does have that like pearlescent sheen to it, which I think is just so cute. This is 10 fluid ounces though, so it's a decent size. I love the packaging of this. It's so simplistic. It almost reminds me of like Barbie's little, I used to have a Barbie dream house when I was a kid, and she had like little accessories and things like that, and this reminds me of like something that would have been in her little dream house. That's so cute. It's so nostalgic. But I'm really excited about that. And then the second thing, which I'm actually I think the most excited about, is their new deodorant. You guys know I have been on a hunt for natural deodorant forever, and I found a few that I like. I'm still not completely like sold on one particular brand though. So this is the new Breezy deodorant. It is clean, 100% vegan with cruelty-free ingredients, aluminum-free and baking soda-free, clinically allergy and dermatologist tested, and available in 4 scents, including unscented. So I have 2 of the scents right here. I have unscented, and then I have lavender splash. Again, love this packaging. It's so cute. The packaging itself is also recyclable and made of 40% post-consumer recycled plastic, which is phenomenal. So let's see here. The unscented literally smells like absolutely nothing, which is very good. Very good. Then the lavender splash, that actually smells like lavender. Like that's like, but it's like a strong scented lavender. It's just like a hint of lavender. Ooh, that's actually really nice. I think that's probably one of the better smelling deodorants I've smelled in my exchange here. I really like that actually. And bear in mind, Refreshments is the program that Ipsy has where you can set everything on a schedule for it to be auto delivered. So if you go through a stick of deodorant every 2 months, you can have it auto delivered to mail you out a stick of deodorant every 2 months. So the convenience factors are also great there. I'll leave a link for the program down below. They have a lot of different products and they're releasing new products every month. And so far I've yet to be disappointed. I've been loving everything that they've been releasing, and I'm so excited about these because if you guys have been following me, you know that natural deodorant hunt is no freaking joke at all. But that is Ipsy for March 2021. For March 20, wait. That's Ipsy for March, you guys. That's, yeah, okay. I'm really happy with everything, honestly. I think the bags were great. I am still so in love with the bag design this month. I think it's so freaking cute. The refreshment products that they released this month are phenomenal. I am so excited to try out the deodorant and even the body wash because their products are very affordable. And Kyler goes through body wash like his body is on fire, and that is the water that will put him out. And I don't understand why. I don't know what he's doing. I don't get it. But all in all, amazing month. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know down below what you guys thought about your March Ipsy bags, and if you are planning to pick up anything from Refreshments this month. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I will catch you all next time. Bye-bye.